My bathroom decided to flood right before stream. I had a crack in my bathtub, which I didn't realize. Okay, scrub daddy. I have a scrub mommy. Anyways, long story short, I got to fill it with some caulking, so it doesn't leak anymore. But so I fully washed the bathtub. Now I'm gonna let it air dry for like overnight, and then I'm gonna bring out my my big cock tomorrow. I'll show you. When I say cock, it looks like this. Okay, so this is it. This is called a caulking gun, and then inside the caulking gun, you put your cock. Listen, it is construction, okay? And then some of it seeps out a little bit. Anyways, it all sounds terrible. And look at this. This guy's very happy with this cock. Okay. I'm just gonna stop talking about it. Anyways, this is a family-friendly channel. This is family channel. Oh my god, I think I'm losing it. It was a very tiring day, okay, guys? It was very tiring. Anyways, let's get to chat.